Development environment. Welcome to our discussion on development environments, the dynamic ecosystems where the magic of software creation happens. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the significance of well-structured development environments cannot be overstated. They are the bedrock upon which innovation thrives, enabling teams to sculpt, refine, and deploy software solutions with finesse and efficiency. Picture this, a bustling hive of activity, where developers huddle over their keyboards, lines of code dancing across their screens like digital poetry. This is the essence of a development environment, a nexus of creativity and ingenuity, where ideas are born, refined, and turned into tangible software products. Throughout our journey today, we'll explore the intricacies of development environments, from their fundamental components to the latest trends shaping their evolution. So buckle up and get ready to dive deep into the heart of software development excellence. Let's start by laying the groundwork. Exactly are development environments, and why are they so crucial to the software development lifecycle? Join me as we embark on this enlightening exploration. Now that we understand the pivotal role of development environments, let's delve deeper into what they entail. At its core, a development environment is a rich tapestry woven from various components, each playing a crucial role in the software creation process. Hardware. This encompasses the tangible tools of the trade, computers, servers, and other physical resources that developers rely on to breathe life into their code. Software. Think of this as the digital soil in which our software seeds germinate and flourish. It includes operating systems, programming languages, libraries, frameworks, and a plethora of development tools. These are the digital artisans, diligently crafting our code into elegant solutions. From version control systems like Git to build tools like Maven, these utilities empower developers to sculpt their creations with precision. Libraries. Imagine libraries as treasured pre-written code, ready to be incorporated into our projects. They serve as building blocks, accelerating development by providing reusable functionalities. Configuration files. Like the conductor of an orchestra, configuration files harmonize the various elements of our development environment. They tailor things to our project's needs, ensuring seamless execution. But why are development environments so vital? Let's explore their role in the intricate dance of the software development lifecycle. Collaboration. Development environments serve as communal canvases where developers converge to weave their code together. Through shared platforms and version control systems, they foster collaboration and harmony within teams. Quality assurance. In the quest for perfection, development environments act as gatekeepers, scrutinizing every line of code for flaws and imperfections. With tools for code review, testing, debugging, they uphold standards of excellence. Optimization. Development environments are laboratories of innovation, where developers experiment with different configurations and scenarios. By simulating deployment environments and optimizing performance, they ensure peak efficiency. In essence, development environments are the beating heart of software creation, the crucible where ideas transmute into reality. As we journey forward, let's explore how these environments continue to shape the landscape of software development. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's explore the diverse landscape of development environments and the unique flavors they offer. A local development environment is akin to a cozy workshop nestled within a developer's personal domain. Here, developers reign supreme, dictating every aspect of their environment from operating systems to configurations. With autonomy comes agility. Developers can swiftly iterate and experiment, tweaking code with lightning speed. Common examples, from beloved IDEs like Visual Studio Code to minimalist text editors like Vim, the possibilities are endless. Pros. Offline autonomy empowers developers to craft code sans connectivity constraints. Local environments boast rapid execution and debugging, fueling the pace of innovation. Customization reigns supreme, tailoring environments to project specifics. Cons. Without robust synchronization, collaboration falters within team confines. Scaling struggles may arise, particularly for expansive projects or distributed teams. Ensuring uniformity across diverse local setups can pose challenges. Remote development environment. Enter the cloud, where development transcends physical confines and embraces boundless collaboration. Developers bridge the geographical gap via remote access protocols like SSH, embracing the cloud's embrace. Geographically dispersed teams converge harmoniously, united by a shared digital domain. Notable examples, from corporate server portals to cloud-based platforms like AWS 9, the options are as vast as the digital expanse. Pros. Physical distance dissipates as remote teams synchronize efforts seamlessly. Uniformity reigns supreme, with centralized configurations fostering harmony. Projects expand effortlessly, propelled by the cloud's elastic embrace. Cons. Stable internet connectivity is a non-negotiable prerequisite for remote access. The specter of network latency may haunt performance, especially amidst data-intensive tasks. The cloud's convenience may come at a price, with usage-based fees adding up over time. Nestled within the cozy confines of local sanctuaries or soaring amidst the clouds of remote collaboration, development environments are the crucibles of innovation. Let's now journey forth and uncover the nuances that shape their evolving landscape. Let's zoom into local development environments, the sanctuaries where creativity knows no bounds. A local development environment is akin to a personal playground for developers, nestled snugly within the confines of their own machines or local servers. Here, developers craft code with intimacy, leveraging their personal computing for writing, testing, and debugging. Necessary tools, from programming languages to development frameworks, are installed directly on the developer's machine, empowering them with autonomy. Customization reigns supreme, as developers mold their environment to fit project nuances like a bespoke suit. Pros. Unshackled from the constraints of network dependence, developers revel in offline autonomy. Code dances nimbly, unencumbered by digital highways, leading to expedited execution and debugging. Developers wield the chisel of customization, sculpting their environment to suit their workflow whims. Cons. Collaboration finds itself stymied within siloed confines, as each developer operates within their own bubble. The horizon may darken for sprawling projects or distributed teams, as maintaining uniformity across multiple setups becomes a Herculean task. Ensuring harmony amid diversity proves challenging, compatibility concerns lurking in the shadows. Integrated Development Environments (IDEs). Behemoths like Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, or Eclipse offer comprehensive tool sets, marrying code editing with debugging prowess. Text editors, the purest choice, lightweight editors like Sublime Text, Atom, or Vim provide a minimalist canvas for coding creativity. Local servers, tools like XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP erect miniature digital playgrounds, enabling developers to test web applications within the cozy confines of their machines. Within the cozy confines of local development environment, developers wield the brush of creativity, painting their digital masterpieces with finesse. But as we journey deeper, let's not forget the myriad challenges that accompany this solitary sanctuary. As we journey deeper into the realm of development environments, let's explore the boundless horizons of remote development setups. A remote development environment transcends physical confines, beckoning developers to a digital realm where collaboration knows no bounds. Here, developers eschew local confines, accessing development apps hosted on remote servers or cloud infrastructures. Instead of toiling on local machines, developers converge upon a centralized server or cloud-based platform, where the development environment awaits. Geographical barriers crumble as remote environments foster collaboration among dispersed teams, united by a shared digital. Pros. The digital divide dissipates, as remote teams harmonize efforts in real time, sculpting code collectively. Uniformity reigns supreme, with centralized configurations ensuring harmony amidst diversity. Projects expand effortlessly, propelled by the cloud's elastic embrace, without the ills of infrastructure woes. Cons. The lifeline of stable internet connectivity becomes non-negotiable, as productivity hangs in the balance. The specter of network latency may cast a shadow, hindering performance during data-intensive tasks. The cloud's convenience comes at a price, with usage-based fees up over time, necessitating prudent financial planning. Developers traverse the digital ether securely, leveraging SSH's encrypted channels to connect to remote servers. Titans like AWS Cloud9, Google Cloud Shell, and Microsoft Azure beckon developers to a cornucopia of cloud-hosted development delight, seamlessly integrating code editing, debugging, and collaboration tools. As we peer into the ether of remote development environments, we witness a symphony of collaboration and innovation. But amidst the digital reverie, let's not lose sight of the challenges that accompany this virtual odyssey. Behold the ethereal expanse of cloud-based development environments, where innovation takes flight amidst the boundless skies of the digital realm. A cloud-based development environment invites developers to transcend local constraints, harnessing the power of cloud services to sculpt their digital creations. Here, developers forsake local infrastructure, journeying into the cloud's embrace to craft, test, and deploy their software visions. Cloud environments unfurl a tapestry of flexibility, scalability, and collaboration features, catering to the evolving needs of modern software development teams. Pros. Developers traverse the expanse effortlessly, accessing their development sanctuaries from any corner of the globe, armed with laptops, tablets, or even smartphones. Cloud environments flex their muscles, dynamically scaling to accommodate the ebb and flow of resource demands, empowering developers to tackle projects of all shapes and sizes. Collaboration blooms in the cloud's fertile soil, with built-in features like shared editing, commenting, and version control fostering a harmonious symphony of teamwork. Cons. The lifeline of productivity hangs in the balance, as cloud-based workflows hinge upon a stable internet connection, susceptible to disruptions. Amidst the digital reverie, the specter of security looms large, necessitating stringent measures to safeguard sensitive assets from prying eyes and digital marauders. Convenience comes at a price, as the cloud's embrace may entail ongoing costs based on usage, resource allocation, and subscription plans, prompting organizations to tread cautiously. Examples like AWS Cloud9, Amazon Web Services cloud-based IDE offers a celestial sanctuary for developers, blending coding, debugging, and collaboration seamlessly within a web-based interface. Google Cloud Shell, Google Cloud Platform beckons developers to a virtual terminal place, granting access to cloud resources and tools from the comfort of a browser window. Microsoft Azure DevOps, Microsoft Azure unfurls a comprehensive suite of cloud-based development tools and services, spanning version control, CI/CD pipelines, project management, and collaboration tools, orchestrating an symphony of software development. As we soar through the nebulous expanse of cloud-based development environments, let's harness the winds of innovation while remaining mindful of the challenges that lie beneath the Azure canopy. Prepare to journey beyond the confines of physical machines as we venture into the realm of virtual development environments, where innovation thrives within digital domains. A virtual development environment heralds a paradigm shift, as developers transcend physical constraints, embracing the boundless potential of virtualization technology. Here, developers navigate within isolated realms of virtual machines, VMs, or containers, liberated from the shackles of physical hardware. Technology beckons, empowering developers to create and manage multiple virtual instances on a single physical host, each boasting its own operating system and software stack. Virtual development environments usher forth a plethora of benefits, from environment isolation to portability and reproducibility, reshaping the landscape of software development and testing. Pros. Sandbox environments shield developers from conflicts, enabling fearless experimentation without endangering the stability of host machines. Virtual entities traverse the digital ether effortlessly, seamlessly migrating across devices and platforms with ease. Snapshots immortalize configurations, beckoning developers to rewind time and reproduce test scenarios with surgical precision. Cons. The totalization exacts a burden on host systems, siphoning CPU, memory, and storage resources, potentially impacting overall performance. The labyrinth of virtualization technologies poses a formidable challenge, demanding mastery from novice users navigating its depths. Virtual landscapes introduce layer complexity, from network management to storage orchestration, complicating the development workflow. Example like virtual machines, VMs, titans like VMware, VirtualBox, and Hyper-V beckon developers to the virtual frontier, offering playgrounds where multiple virtual machines dance to the tune of their own operating systems and software stacks. Containers. Docker emerges as a harbinger of simplicity, packaging applications within lightweight, portable vessels, ensuring consistency across development, testing, and production environments. Cloud-based virtual environments. Titans like AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, and Microsoft Azure Container Instances, ACI, extend the cloud's embrace, offering scalable platforms for deploying and managing containerized applications within virtualized realms. As we navigate the virtual labyrinth of development environments, let us harness the power of virtualization to sculpt digital while remaining vigilant of the challenges that lurk in its shadows. As we journey through the labyrinth of software development, let's shine a spotlight on the trusty companions that adorn every developer's toolkit. Code editors. Code editors serve as the digital quills of developers, transforming ideas into elegant lines of code. Syntax highlighting, code completion, and built-in terminal access are but a few of the many gems that adorn these virtual pages. Visual Studio Code. Microsoft's Marvel boasts customization prowess, an expansive extension ecosystem, and support for myriad languages and frameworks. Sublime Text, swift and sleek. Sublime Text dazzles with its speed, simplicity, and a treasure of advanced features. Atom, GitHub's darling delights with its modern interface, robust package manager, and a vibrant community fostering innovation. Vim, a titan of efficiency, Vim reigns supreme with its modal editing prowess and a legion of loyal adherents. Version Control Systems, VCS. Version control systems chronicle the evolution of code, ensuring collaboration harmony and safeguarding against digital oblivion. Git and SVN stand as stalwarts, guiding developers through the maze of revisions and branches. Git, the darling of the open-source world, Git dazzles with its speed, flexibility, and branch prowess, reigning supreme across diverse ecosystems. SVN, Apache Subversion, a bastion of centralized control. SVN's atomic commits and rigorous access controls offer solace to projects seeking stability and security. Build tools. Build tools orchestrate the symphony of compilation and dependency management, transforming raw source code into polished artifacts. Maven and Gradle stand as virtuosos, simplifying project management and empowering developers with declarative workflows. Maven, Java's faithful companion, Maven simplifies dependency resolution and project structure configuration, smooth sailing through the seas of Java development. Gradle, a beacon of modernity, Gradle's Groovy-based DSL offers flexibility and extensibility, catering to the diverse needs of multi-language projects. Testing frameworks. Guardians of quality, testing frameworks stand as sentinels, ensuring the sanctity and reliability of software through automated tests. Shielding Sentinels, JUnit and Selenium lead the charge, empowering developers to craft robust unit tests and automate browser interactions. JUnit, Java's testing stalwart, JUnit provides a suite of tools for crafting and executing unit tests with ease, seamlessly integrating into build workflows. Selenium, the web's faithful guardian, Selenium empowers developers to automate browser interactions and craft cross-browser tests with finesse. As we bid adieu to these stalwart companions, let us remember that they are not mere tools, but faithful allies in the noble quest of software craftsmanship. As we embark on our collective journey through the landscape of development environments, let us illuminate the path with the beacon of collaboration, the cornerstone of every successful endeavor. Collaboration forms the bedrock of development environments, nurturing teamwork, knowledge sharing, and collective problem solving. Effective collaboration or seamless communication promotes code review, and ensures alignment with project goals, propelling development cycles to greater heights. Collaboration tools. Version control systems, VCS, Git, SVN, and Mercurial stand as sentinels, enabling developers to track changes, manage revisions, collaborate on code bases with finesse. Code review tools, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket beckon developers to the arena of peer review, fostering discussions, feedback, and code quality assurance. Communication tools, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Discord serve as bastions of real-time communication, knitting the fabric of collaboration with chat channels, direct messaging, and seamless integration. Best practices for collaboration. Harness the power of VCS, track code changes diligently, commit frequently, and adhere to branching and merging best practices to ensure code stability and integrity. Embrace code reviews, make code reviews a sacred ritual, encouraging constructive feedback and prompt issue resolution to maintain code quality and consistency. Cultivate open communication, foster a culture of transparency and openness, where regular updates, discussions, and shared solutions flourish, nurturing a thriving system of collaboration. Benefits of collaboration. Quality quotient. Collaboration breeds excellence, ushering in higher code quality and fewer bugs through peer review and feedback. Velocity's embrace. Rapid iteration cycles and accelerated development are the fruits of collaboration's labor, hastening the journey from concept to market. Knowledge nexus. Collaboration fuels the fires of learning and skill development, nurturing a community where knowledge flows freely, enriching all who partake. As we stand at the precipice of collaboration's realm, let us embark on this odyssey together, for in unity lies the power to shape worlds and conquer challenges beyond imagination. As we navigate the labyrinth of development environments, let us unveil the guiding principles that illuminate the path to excellence. Use of version control systems, VCS. Harness the power of Git or SVN to manage code changes, track revisions, and foster collaboration among the development brethren. To version control best practices, embracing strategies like Gitflow to organize development efforts and facilitate parallel development. Automated testing. Integrate automated testing into the development workflow, employing frameworks like JUnit and Selenium to detect bugs and regressions with precision. Embrace continuous integration pipelines to automate tests, code quality checks, and deployments, ensuring code changes meet the highest standards. Continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD. Implement CI/CD pipelines to orchestrate the build, test, and deployment process in S, paving the way for rapid and reliable code delivery. Seamlessly integrate CI/CD pipelines with version control systems and collaboration tools, weaving a tapestry of collaboration and efficiency. Code reviews. Embrace regular code reviews to uphold code quality, readability, and adherence to standards with vigilance. Foster an environment of collaboration and communication during code reviews, nurturing a culture of peer learning and continuous improvement. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation to facilitate onboarding, troubleshooting, and knowledge transfer, ensuring clarity and consistency across the team. Utilize documentation tools such as Markdown or wiki pages to craft and maintain documentation in a structured and accessible format, empowering the team with knowledge at their fingertips. With these practices as our guiding stars, let us forge ahead with confidence, knowing that excellence awaits those who dare embrace the path of continuous improvement. Let's embark on a journey of empowerment as we unravel the secrets to crafting the perfect sanctuary for software innovation, your very own development environment. Steps to set up a local development environment. Kickstart your journey by installing essential software components, programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and development tools that form the bedrock of your development oasis. Personalize your environment settings to reflect your unique style, tweak environment variables, fine-tune IDE preferences, and adorn it with plugins or extensions of your choice. Forge a stronghold for your code's journey with a version control repository, e.g., Git, charting its course, managing branches, and fostering collaboration among comrades. Strengthen your fortress by installing project dependencies and libraries using trusty allies like NPM for JavaScript projects or pip for Python projects. Erect local servers or development environments, e.g., Apache, MySQL, PHP, the lifeblood of your creations, essential for testing and running your applications in the realm of localhost. Validate the sanctity of your realm by running sample code, conducting basic tests, and ensuring all dependencies are in harmonious alignment with your vision. Tailor your tools and IDE settings to resonate with your configure code formatting, debugging options, and other nuances to harmonize with your coding cadence. Preserve the wisdom of your journey by documenting every step and configuration, paving the way for future travelers, and offering solace in times of troubleshooting. Configuration and customization. Customize your environment to reflect your project requirements, preferences, and workflow, configuring IDE settings, version control nuances, and other tools to align with your vision. Tinker with IDE settings, keyboard shortcuts, and code formatting rules, sculpting your coding sanctuary into a masterpiece of efficiency and elegance. Troubleshooting common issues. Brave the tempest of technical challenges with resilience and fortitude, leveraging online resources, documentation, and community forums to navigate rough waters. Seek wisdom and guidance from seasoned adventurers, collaborating with mentors, team members, and fellow developers to overcome obstacles and emerge victorious. Armed with these insights, may you embark on your quest to forge the ultimate bastion of innovation, your very own development environment. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, fortifying our digital fortresses against the specter of cyber threats is paramount. Let us delve into the bastions of security within our development realms. Importance of security. Security stands as the sentinel protecting sensitive data, thwarting unauthorized access, and upholding the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of our software citadels. By embracing robust security measures, we fortify our defenses against the looming specters of data breaches, cyber attacks, and malicious activities, ensuring the resilience and reliability of our digital domains. Secure practices. Foster a culture of secure coding practices among developers, instilling principles of input validation, authentication, authorization, and data sanitization to fortify our code against common vulnerabilities and exploits. Enforce secure coding guidelines and standards, wielding static code as tools as shields against potential security breaches lurking in the shadows of our codebase. Access control. Erect bastions of access control to safeguard our digital dominions against unauthorized intrusion, embracing the principle of least privilege to grant access only to the worthy. Employ authentication mechanisms like multi-factor authentication, MFA, and OAuth to ensure the sanctity of user identities, shielding our realms against the scourge of unauthorized access. Encryption. Embrace the mantle of encryption to cloak our sensitive data in an impenetrable shroud, safeguarding it from prying eyes and nefarious intentions. Implements communication protocols like HTTPS to forge unassailable bastions of confidentiality and integrity, ensuring the sanctity of data traversing our digital highways. Continuous security monitoring. Establish mechanisms for continuous security monitoring, wielding the power of intrusion detection systems, IDS, and security information and event management, SIEM, solutions to detect and repel threats in real time. Conduct regular security audits and vulnerability assessments, fortifying our digital ramparts against the relentless onslaught of security threats. With these vigilant measures in place, let us stand resolute against the tides of adversity, safeguarding our digital realms with unwavering vigilance. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, fortifying our digital fortresses against the specter of cyber threats is paramount. Let us delve into the bastions of security within our development realms. Importance of security. Security stands as the sentinel protecting sensitive data, thwarting unauthorized access, and upholding the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of our software citadels. By embracing robust security measures, we fortify our defenses against the looming specters of data breaches, cyber attacks, and malicious activities, ensuring the resilience and reliability of our digital domains. Secure practices. Foster a culture of secure coding practices among developers, instilling principles of input validation, authentication, authorization, and data sanitization to fortify our code against common vulnerabilities and exploits. Enforce secure coding guidelines and standards, wielding static code as tools as shields against potential security breaches lurking in the shadows of our codebase. Access control. Erect bastions of access control to safeguard our digital dominions against unauthorized intrusion, embracing the principle of least privilege to grant access only to the worthy. Employ authentication mechanisms like multi-factor authentication, MFA, and OAuth to ensure the sanctity of user identities, shielding our realms against the scourge of unauthorized access. Encryption. Embrace the mantle of encryption to cloak our sensitive data in an impenetrable shroud, safeguarding it from prying eyes and nefarious intentions. Implements communication protocols like HTTPS to forge unassailable bastions of confidentiality and integrity, ensuring the sanctity of data traversing our digital highways. Continuous security monitoring. Establish mechanisms for continuous security monitoring, wielding the power of intrusion detection systems, IDS, and security information and event management, SIEM, solutions to detect and repel threats in real time. Conduct regular security audits and vulnerability assessments, fortifying our digital ramparts against the relentless onslaught of security threats. With these vigilant measures in place, let us stand resolute against the tides of adversity, safeguarding our digital realms with unwavering vigilance. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, fortifying our digital fortresses against the specter of cyber threats is paramount. Let us delve into the bastions of security within our development realms. Importance of security. Security stands as the sentinel protecting sensitive data, thwarting unauthorized access, and upholding the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of our software citadels. By embracing robust security measures, we fortify our defenses against the looming specters of data breaches, cyber attacks, and malicious activities, ensuring the resilience and reliability of our digital domains. Secure practices. Foster a culture of secure coding practices among developers, instilling principles of input validation, authentication, authorization, and data sanitization to fortify our code against common vulnerabilities and exploits. Enforce secure coding guidelines and standards, wielding static code and tools as shields against potential security breaches lurking in the shadows of our codebase. Access control. Erect bastions of access control to safeguard our digital dominions against unauthorized intrusion, embracing the principle of least privilege to grant access only to the worthy. Employ authentication mechanisms like multi-factor authentication, MFA, and OAuth to ensure the sanctity of user identities, shielding our realms against the scourge of unauthorized access. Encryption. Embrace the mantle of encryption to cloak our sensitive data in an impenetrable shroud, safeguarding it from prying eyes and nefarious intentions. Implements communication protocols like HTTPS to forge unassailable bastions of confidentiality and integrity, ensuring the sanctity of data traversing our digital highways. Continuous security monitoring. Establish mechanisms for continuous security monitoring, wielding the power of intrusion detection systems, IDS, and security information and event management, SIEM, solutions to detect and repel threats in real time. Conduct regular security audits and vulnerability assessments, fortifying our digital ramparts against the relentless onslaught of security threats. With these vigilant measures in place, let us stand resolute against the tides of adversity, safeguarding our digital realms with unwavering vigilance. Thank you for your unwavering attention throughout this journey.